Hey, welcome back to Good Day this morning. Time for the daily list now this morning. So the other day, I told you how many calories you burn doing certain spring cleaning tasks. Today, it's all about a task you've probably been putting off, and I can't blame you, but it's time to tackle it on the daily list now. How to spring clean your refrigerator. Yay! Woo! All right, number one, prep for the inside. According to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, foods that need to be refrigerated should never sit out at room temperature for longer than 2 hours. If your fridge needs a spring cleaning that'll take more than that, prepare a cooler to store the food that you plan to keep. You put your milk in there and anything else that's perishable, other dairy products. You might also, if you can, unplug the refrigerator to save a little energy with the doors being open for so long. Number two, you want to purge. To get started, empty out the entire refrigerator, remove the contents from the shelves, the drawers, organize them in your kitchen, on the counter, or on the island. Put away the perishables that you know you want to keep. Take time to sort through what's left and throw out expired or unwanted food, drinks, and condiments, yes, including that jar of marmalade your neighbor gave you. Not sure when you open that jar of salsa, as they say, when in doubt, throw it out. Don't keep things for sentimental reasons just because somebody gave it to you.
Not a family heirloom.
It's April, people. It's now April. All right, number three, I'm going to do this. Create zones. Dedicate areas of your fridge for certain types of food so that you know where to find what you're looking for when you need it. Create spots for things that you're going to be accessing a lot, like produce, leftovers, dairy, grab-and-go snacks. It makes finding things easier, and things don't get shoved to the back of the fridge and forgotten. It'll also help you see what needs to be replaced on your next grocery trip as well, instead of trying to think through your mind while you're standing in line there. What did I forget? I know there was something else that I needed. Time to tackle the fridge. For more tips on how to do that in an organized fashion, you go to gooddaysacramento.com. Click show info there at the top of the page, and then today's date. All right, we've been talking about this morning.